Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your Webull account on desktop. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and log in to your Webull account. Now, type in your credential on these fields here. You need to type in your mobile phone and password, and then click on Login button. After you are logged into your account, you can see a profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. You need to click on the profile icon and you will see My Account option. Click on the My Account option. After that, you can see various options there. Find Manage My Account link and click on it. After that, you can see Delete Account option. Click on the Delete Account link and you will be directed to another page. Here you can see that the account cannot be deleted until these requirements are met. If a check result is ! you need to follow the instruction prior to close your account. So that is how you can delete your Webull account on desktop. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.